Hello everyone. Good morning to all the participants on this online workshop on LearnLatex for research using Overleaf. This workshop is organized by LearnLatex group with the support from Overleaf. Myself Nitish Gupta and I am a research scholar in Department of Mathematics NIT Warangal. I want to thank the Chief Advisor of this workshop, Dr. Raj Sir, and workshop coordinator, Mr. Sonu, who gave me this opportunity. In this lecture, I will try to explain you how to write a letter in LaTeX. This lecture is very important because letter is used on a daily basis. Here I will try to explain you each and every command and its step which I will follow. So let's have a look. Okay. So this is the basic structure for writing a letter. First, I will use TextMaker software, and that software is already installed in my system. You can also install. And after that, I will show in Overleaf environment. Okay, because in Overleaf environment there are so many beautiful things you can do. Okay, now see. This structure, in this structure, first one is slash document class letter, and the next one is slash use package, and then slash address, sorry, address, next slash date, and in curly braces you have to write it date today, slash begin document, next one is slash begin letter, and in this basis you can write company name, street, city, and I will tell you, don't worry. And next is slash opening in braces. You can write dear sir, madam, respected sir, and if you are interested to write a letter to your friend, so you can write hey buddy, hey Ram. And next is slash closing. In closing, in this braces, you can write your faithfully, thanks and regards, like this. After that, slash end letter, and after that, slash end document. So this is the basic structure that I will follow. That's it. So in letter, because you are writing a letter to someone, so your address also will be in the top of the corner. Okay, so for this I will use this address. Okay, for this I will use this address command. Okay, these all are the commands, and this is the I will use the package that is here. So this is the basic structure that I will follow. Next, what is the use of these commands? Okay, this slash document class letter. So this command must appear at the start of every LaTeX document, and the text in the braces specifies the document class. Mostly article document class is suitable for short documents such as journal articles, short report. Some other document classes are books, slides, letter, and report. Report is for long document with chapter like thesis. Next one is, see, next one is use package. So LaTeX offers a lot of function by default, but in some situations it can become a handy to use so-called packages. Okay, there are countless packages. I will explain some of the most useful package which I will use in my letter. Okay, so I am going to use these three packages: slash use package AMS maths, next one is slash use package xcolor, slash use package hyperref. So these three packages I am going to use. First one is AMS math. The EMS package is a latex package that provides miscellaneous enhancements for improving the information structure and printed out the document that contain mathematical formulas. Okay. Next one is use package xcolor. Suppose I am interested to write my Gmail or any text in my letter, and I want that text and letter in any color, so I need to support xcolor. Okay, use this package. We can also set the font color, text background, or a page background also. So this is the use of this package. Next one is use package hyperlink. This package provides LaTeX the ability to create hyperlinks within the document. It is generally useful when the output format of your LaTeX code is PDF, so that one can click on your text item, ULR or Gmail and simply follow it. Here note that the colored box surrounding your hyperlink text or any item, and this color box will be visible only on your computer, not in your printed copy of the document. Okay, so this is the use of hyperlink. Now come here, this begin document and end document. Okay, these commands include the text and command that make up your document. Okay, anything typed before begin document is known as preamble and will be affected the whole document. Okay, and anything typed after the end document is ignored. Okay, now come here. So this is my text maker software. Okay, so what is my aim? My aim is to show you how to write this letter. So you can see this. This is my address because I am writing a letter to whom? To the head of the Department of Mathematics, NIT Bharat. This is my aim. So here I am using hyperlink means hyperlinks. This is the hyperlinks, so that already mentioned in this colored box. This is the letter. So how I will write? Let's see. So this is the first command that you know very well, because in previous lecture already you used this. This one and this one you already used. So now come here. This is the package. These three packages I am going to use. This slash use package AMS math. Okay. Next one is slash use package hyperlink. So this is the package or this package. What is the command? This is the command. What is this? Slash href and in braces milto. This is the colon. And after that, here in this place, you can see. In this place, you can write your text. Basically, I am going to use my Gmail as a hyperlink. So for Gmail, you have to write here milto and colon, and here you can write your mail. Okay, so this is the code and this is the package. Okay, next one is use package xcolor. This is the package, and for that package, what is the code? This is the package and this is the command. This is the command slash text color. Okay, after that there is some text in braces. So in this braces you have to write a color, means which color you want. Means if you want to any text in color, so in which color you want that text, that color you have to write here. Suppose I am interested in blue color, so I will write here blue, and after that another braces is there. So in this braces you have to write text, the text which you want in hyper link. Okay, sorry, in which you want color. Okay, so these two are the packages and these are the commands. And what is the next? See, this is the next. This is done. Slash document class letter. This use package is done. Now I will use this slash address after that date. Okay. Now see this address command. In this address, I will write my whole address because I am writing a letter. See this. This is my address. My name, Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, NIT Warangal, and this is the mail ID. See, this is the slash address here in braces. My name, double slash means to start a new line. Okay, Research Scholar, comma, Department of Mathematics, again double slash means to start a new line. NIT Warangal, again double slash. Now I am using hyperlink. Okay, so in hyperlink I will use mail ID. Okay, for mail ID, which package I need? This hyperlink package. For this package, what command I will use? This command I will use. But I want this mail ID in color also. For that color, I will use Xcolor package, and for this Xcolor, I will use this command. So simultaneously, we are going to use these two commands. So this is hyperlink, slash HIRF, and this MILTO colon. This is the mail ID, and I want this mail ID in color. So in next, in braces slash Xcolor. What color I want? Blue color. Which text I want in color? My mail ID. Okay. So this is the address. Okay. So okay, now fine. So now suppose that I want this this address. Where is the address? This address. I want this address in italic form. Okay. So for italic form, which thing I want in italic form? This name, Research Scholar, NIT Warangal. These three things I want in italic form. So for italic form, there is one command, that is text it. This is the command for italic form. Okay? So for that, first I will keep this in comment. Go in edit. See, where is the comment? This is the, now this is the comment. So first run. Now no address is there because we keep this in comment. Okay. See this. Okay, wait. This. Okay. Edit. Uncomment. See, this is the address, but in this address I want my name, this Department of Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, NIT Warangal. These three things I want in italics. For this I use this slash text it. See this address. This is the name which I want in the italic form. Before that, I will use this slash text it. This is the command. Similarly here. Similarly, now run this. See the output. See? Now you can see these three things in italic form. Okay, wait. Let's see like this. Yeah, see this. These three. First, this and these three are in italic. So for this italic form, what I need this command. What is this command? Slash text it. Okay, suppose I want this address, this address in color form, in blue color suppose. So what I need? So I need this package text color, and I will use this command. Okay, so before that, let's keep this in comment or command, edit, comment, uncomment this, so edit, uncomment. See this, no error. Yeah, see this. So this is the name that I want in uh, blue color. So for this, see this. This is slash color blue my name. First see this. Okay. Similarly, this one text color blue, research scholar Department of Mathematics, because this research scholar Department of Mathematics is a text, and that text I want in this blue color. Before that I will use this text color command. Third one is NIT Warangal. Also Gmail I don't want, so see this, the result output, this is in blue color. Okay, this is the beauty of latex. Now, so just keep this in comment, edit, comment. Okay. This I want actually, edit, uncomment, run. There is the issue. So here some error is showing. In which line? 10th and 12th. Okay, see, yeah, see this is the slash address. Okay, but it is in comment section, so you have to remove this now. Oh, yeah, fine. No comment, no, sorry, no error. This is the output. So now what we completed. Now see this. This slash document class letter done. Use package completed. Slash address completed. After that I will write slash date today, and then slash begin document, slash begin letter, slash opening, slash close, slash end letter, slash document. See this. This is a slash 8. Okay. After that slash begin document. After that slash begin letter, and in this slash begin letter you have to write a second address, means address of receiver. What is the address? To, because I am writing a letter to head of the department. The to head of the Department of Mathematics, NIT Warangal. Same thing right here in braces, to double slash to start a new line. The head of the department, double slash Department of Mathematics. Okay, double slash National Institute of Technology, double slash Warangal, and this is the code here is closed. So this is the means you can write address of receiver. Okay, yeah, fine. Now next command is slash opening. In this braces I will write respected sir, or respected madam, or dear sir. Okay, now in letter I am interested to show my subject. What is the subject of my letter that I have to show? Okay, so this is the subject. See this. This is the subject. Okay, first remove this, remove this, remove this. So this is the subject. What is the subject? Subject, submission of event semester 2019-20 progress report. This is the subject. And see this. Yeah. See this. This is the respected sir. This is subject submission of event semester 2019-20 progress report. Okay. But I want this text, means this subject, in bold face. For bold face, I will use one command, text bf. Text bf. Now see, run, output. See this. Now this is in bold face. Also, I want this subject in middle of the letter. Okay. For middle of the letter, for center of the letter, I will use one command, begin center. So I am using begin center, so end center automatically will be come into the picture. So slash begin center. See, begin center, then automatically end center is just cut this, paste. See, run. Now see this. Now this is in center of this application or letter. This is now in center. So we completed this, respected sir. Now subject. After that you have to write your text. After that, just simple, you write a text. This is the text. I, Nitish Gupta, full-time research scholar in mathematics. This is the roll number. Obviously, I will not tell you. I am working under the supervision of Dr. XYZ in the Department of Mathematics since July 2019. I am here with enclosing the progress report for the event semester. Okay, so this I use text bf because I want to show my name in boldface. So you can see here, see this. This is the name in boldface. Okay, fine. So in next line, because here I am using double slash to start a new line. During this semester of the academic year 2019-20, the following courses have been completed. Okay, so here I will show you my courses which I completed, but I will show this in three formats. First one is uh, I will show in unordered form, next in ordered form, last one is in table form. What I will show, suppose this is the subjects, okay, or you can say items. This is the item, these three items. So here I mentioned for unordered list or items, for unordered list, use the itemized environment for works without any additional package. If you will use this itemize, means this begin itemize command, obviously and itemize will be come into the picture, then these items or list will come in unordered way. Okay, see how these are in comment. First go to edit, uncomment, run this. See, see this Advanced heat and mass transfer, first one, second one advanced fluid mechanics, third one advanced computational techniques. These three are the courses or items. Okay, so this is unordered form, there is no any numbering here. Means you can write this first one, no matter. Okay, so for this unordered list, you have to use this begin itemize. Suppose I want in ordered, means in numbering form, is this first, second, third. So for this ordered list, you have to use begin enumerate. Okay, this is another command that you have to use, begin enumerate for ordered list. Okay, so for this, keep this in comment. This is comment. So here I mentioned also, if you want to add an ordered list, you simply have to replace itemize with enumerated environment. Okay, so in previous, for unordered I used itemize, and for this ordered I will use enumerate. Okay, and remaining all the things is same. Slash item, okay, sorry, this slash item this slash item is when you will write this items, first one, second one, third one. Okay, so you have to use this slash item, this is also a command. Okay, so yeah, now see this, this first one, second one, third one, this is in order form. Okay, so this is the beauty of latex. Okay, now see. So after it, I want this items in table form. Okay, so this, see this, this is the table form. So I want this item in table form. First, keep this ordered list in comment. Now, actually, I will use begin tabular command. Actually, this tabular environment is used to type a table. So the tabular environment is the actually default LaTeX method to create types of table. So this, first see this in braces CCCC. What is the means? It tells the LaTeX that there are three columns, and that the text inside each one of them must be center. Okay, that is the meaning. So how it works? Just take this cut. Comment. One comment. Yeah. Now see this. See this. Okay. So you can see only rows, no column, because this CCC, this tells LaTeX that there will be 4 columns, and that the text inside each one of them must be centered. So this is the meaning of this. Okay, now actually this is looking beautiful. Okay, where is it? Yeah, now I don't want this, I want this one. Okay, so this mod represent row lines, and this P 0.7, this you have to write your convenience, how much gap you want according to your convenience. you can write, suppose this first column serial number, so I write here 0.7 centimeter. After this, the text of the courses, so this is I take 6 centimeter, and the next one I want very small, mode of the study is 2 centimeter. Last one is number of credits is 1.5 centimeter. So according to your convenience, you have to write this. Okay. So for more details about the table, I am going to show something. Yeah, see this. This is the overleaf environment. So here you can see the tables. Okay. So this CCCC. For tables, we will use tabular. Okay. Suppose we want this table in center of the letter. Okay. So this table in center of the letter, then we will use this begin center, and obviously end center also. So this CC, see this. This tells LaTeX that there will be 3 columns, because I am using here 3 columns, and that the text inside each one of them must be centered. So this is center, is all the text are in. This is a second type, because I want columns, means this lines also, column line also. For column line is not ECC. This is 3 columns also. Next one is this. Then we will use this double mode. Then we will give, we will get this type of format, and for this we will get this type of format. So there are so many beautiful tables are there. You can take hint from this overleaf platform. See this type of table you can also create by using some extra command. Okay, and this command also. This table, you can see these are in boldface. For boldface, you have to use some extra command also. So from this, okay, see this is the color form. Color form also you can write. This type of table also you can write. Code is already given here. So this is the beauty of overleaf platform, that you can use. Okay. Now come back. So where we are? Yeah, we are in table. Okay, I forgot here. So this /h line. This is also a useful command. This is for drawing horizontal lines. This is also a command. So first one is /ch line serial number and end. Next is text of the title of the course, and next is mode of the study and number of credits. So we are using here and between serial number, text of the course, title of the course, and again and like this, and this double slashes to start a new line. So now write this /h line, again serial number, this is 1 2 3, so you write 1, title of the course, so write here title of the course, the title of the course, mode of the study, regular, so before regular use end, similarly here end, similarly number of credits, write end, in like this you can write. Okay, now this table I want in center of the letter. So for this we will use begin center and obviously end center also. Okay. Uh, See, what is the use of this V space? See, if we will not use this V space, then what will, let's see. Yeah. See, after this table, I want some, you know, vertical distance, vertical space between this table and this text. So that is the reason I am using this V space for vertical space. How much space? 1 centimeter. Okay. So that is the reason I am using. Oh, sorry, this is not. I will use here. Okay. So that is the reason I am using here V space. Suppose you want to write your some text, remaining text or something from new line, so you can use this command, this slash new page. Okay, so this command ends the current page, and it will start. The next text will start in new page. Okay, so now move on. For the next semester, I will do the literature review surveys related to this is the text I write here. In last, you have to write this slash closing and in braces your faithful. So this will come here. See this. See this. Your faithful. This is the meaning. It is the reason we are using here this slash closing. Okay. Now, what is our aim? So we completed this letter up to here. Your faithfully. Now my aim is to write these two things. This is my name. This is my guide's name. Okay. But I have to create this much horizontal distance, and here I have to create. Here I have to create vertical distance. Here I have to create horizontal distance. These two difference I have to create for these distances or space. We will use V space for vertical and for for horizontal H space. Okay, so come here, V space. Okay, yeah, this is the space. You can see V space. Now I will write here name in bold form. Okay, for bold form, this text Dr. D XYZ. This text I want in bold form. So this for this I will use text BF. Okay, so in the same line, see here, in the same line I have to write this also. That means what I need? I need horizontal distance, means or horizontal space also. For horizontal space, I am using H space. How much space? 6 centimeter. That you have to take according to your convenience. Okay. Yeah. So this is the my name. Okay. My name is in bold form. So for bold form, use text BF. Okay. In next line, what I have to write? From this next line, I have to write research supervisor, and in the same line, roll number, and in next Department of Mathematics, NIT Warangal. This thing. Let's do it. The same line, my name. From in next line, research supervisor, and in the same line, see this horizontal space, my roll number. Yeah, H space 5.6 centimeter, my roll number. Again, next line, H space 7.3 centimeter, Department of Mathematics. Again, H space, this National Institute of Technology, Warangal. And now See this. So just to be followed basic structure only. What is the basic structure? Slash document class use package done. Slash address done. Begin document, begin letter, opening letter completed. Slash closing your faithfully completed. Now these two I have to write, end letter and end document. Okay, so this is end letter and end document. So this is now completed. Run without. This is my address. This is hyperlink. This is date. This is second. Sorry, receiver address. This is opening slash opening respected sir. This is subject. Subject. This is in center of the letter, so I use slash center. This is table. How to create table? I already explained. You can use the help from overleaf. So this is from slash closing, and for vertical space you can use V space. For horizontal space you can use H space. This is now completed. You can see like, see this. This is in colored box because this is a hyperlink, so this is in color box. But when you will take printout of this document, it will not show in your printed copy. This is the application, or you can say letter. Okay. Okay. Now let's come in overlay platform. This is the overlay platform. So this is very good thing. You can use this platform. So many features are there. Okay. So the best thing of this overlay platform is that in the command form. First see. Let's see this. Yeah. This is the code. LaTeX code. This is compiler. You can see. Yeah. See this. Beautiful represent. Okay. The best thing in this overlay platform is that in the command in front of every command you can see this. This is the command in front that see this is the command. So in command it is mentioned that why we are using it. You can see in each command. In this command, why we are using mention. In this command, why we are using is mentioned. You can see here also. In this command, why we are using, see this. So it is a very big hint when you will write in or you can you want to edit any application format or letter format from overleaf, so you can use. Okay, so come here, gallery formal letter. So you can see there here there are many types of letter formats that you can change or edit as per your convenience, and you can learn also how to write a letter in LaTeX very beautiful way. See this, open. So these are the three options. Open template for PDF. You can click here. For sources, this is the sources. See this. See this, the beauty of this. So you can edit also this letter. Okay, it's one special feature is that whenever there is an error comes, okay, it will tell the message that is assigned here. See, this is the message. When error will come, it will show here, and it will also tells in which line and which kind of error. So also he will tell you in this message section, so you can remove the error. One more special feature is feature in overleaf. See this in starting. It's the special thing is that whenever you create an account, okay, so you have to create an account by using your email ID in overleaf. Then when you create document in it, then it will always be saved in the account. So these are the documents which I uh, did here. These are the documents. So this is your project. If you want to write a new blank, type your name. Suppose